In this video, we'll see together the prepositions and the relative pronouns. So if you don't know anything about the relative pronouns, I really invite you to have a look at the lessons that we've been seeing previously, because it will be difficult otherwise. So this video will mostly focus or only focus on en face de as a preposition. Okay, so of course we will cover le féminin singulier, le masculin singulier, le féminin pluriel, and le masculin pluriel. So because you will see that it will be slightly tricky, I invite you to have a notebook next to you and take some notes. So let's start with the féminin singulier. Féminin singulier, so en face de will be the main point of this lesson. So we'll have two possible situations. The first one, if we want to express something with a living or animated thing, then in that case it will be in fact quite simple. So we start c'est une femme. After that we will put en face de, and then the pronoun that you will have to use will be qui. Je ne peux jamais rester sérieux. C'est une femme en face de qui je ne peux jamais rester sérieux. So this case here, as we saw at the beginning, it's feminine singular, une femme. It's a living thing because, well, it's a human being. En face de, and then you will use qui. So you will use qui for the feminine singular and when we're talking about living persons. Then, if we're talking about animated and not animated, but not living, so not persons, c'est une peinture en face de laquelle je ne peux m'empêcher de pleurer tellement elle est belle. So in that situation here, une peinture. Clearly, it's not a person and it's not animated, so it belongs to this category, no problem. We just use en face de. And then we will put the relative pronoun. In that case, it should be the feminine singular, and it's laquelle. I want to take one little second or a bit longer to just emphasize on the fact that you need to really be careful with this de here, because as you can see, it's en face de. You've been learning French for a while and you've been seeing that de, when it's combined with la or followed by la, it's not a problem. De la, it works. But then if it's followed by le, it will get tricky because it will become du. And if it's followed by les, it will become de. So that's the reason why here, for the feminine, it's not a problem. It will be en face de laquelle. It will be another story for the masculine, and that's the reason why. And now we will see le masculin singulier. For the masculine singular, it will be exactly the same concept. First category, living and animated things. C'est un homme en face de qui je ne peux jamais rester sérieux. So as you can see, and this is the good news, in fact, about this lesson, is that if we're talking about living things, so people, as you can see, it will be always qui. And so we saw that it worked for the feminine singular. Now it's the masculine singular, and the good news is that it will be exactly the same thing for the plural form too. So, c'est un homme en face de qui je ne peux jamais rester sérieux. Now, let's have a look at animated and not animated. C'est un monument en face duquel je ne peux m'empêcher de rester songeur. So, in that situation, un monument, clearly, it's not a living thing, and it's not animated, so this is the category. We will put en face de after. But as I told you, de followed by le, because normally it should be lequel. Remember that the pronoun for the masculine singular is lequel. De with le, they will merge and it will give you duquel. And this is the tricky thing that you really need to write down, and you need to remember that for the masculine, if you have this situation, it will be en face duquel. C'est un monument en face duquel je ne peux m'empêcher de rester songeur. Let's have a look now at the féminin pluriel. Le féminin pluriel. En face de living animated. Ce sont des femmes en face de qui je ne peux jamais rester sérieux. So here, now you know that this category is clearly not tricky, because whether it's masculine, feminine, singular or plural, it will be always qui. And in fact, you don't even need to change anything. You just put your preposition en face de and then qui. So this is really, really, really simple in that case. But then, of course, the tricky thing will come here. Animated and not animated. Ce sont des peintures en face desquelles je ne peux m'empêcher de pleurer tellement elles sont belles. So in that situation, feminine plural, des peintures. En face de, but then after that, you should have lesquelles. So as we had previously, de will merge with les and it will give you desquelles. Ce sont des peintures en face desquelles je ne peux m'empêcher de pleurer tellement elles sont belles. And so let's have a look now at the last category, masculin pluriel. En face de, first category, living animated. Extremely simple, as we had previously. Ce sont des hommes en face de qui je ne peux jamais rester sérieux. So, same thing here, not tricky at all. You just use qui again after your preposition. Then, animated and not animated, ce sont des objets du passé en face desquels je ne peux m'empêcher de rester songeur. Des objets du passé, so objet masculin pluriel, des objets en face de, but as we should have lesquels, de will merge with les and it will give you desquels. Ce sont des objets du passé en face desquels je ne peux m'empêcher de rester songeur.